Okay, let's go again. That is heavenly. That is so good. Oh my gosh. And I feel like refreshed because the cucumber, something about it, I don't know. Like, I don't normally go for cucumber, but yes, I like that a whole lot. So I could just have that as a smoothie. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it up into some smoothie bowls. And that's going to be my meals for today. Yay! Okay, let's go. Let me just say that these smoothie bowls have been literally pulling me through all of the days. This may be too much, but I'm on my cycle right now. And so all I've had is water and smoothie bowls for the past couple of days. But this has been like the secret ingredient, which is the herb mix. And for some reason, this paired with just like me taking moments to stretch, move my body, do the parts of the Freedom 5, which is our holistic healing system, has just been taking me to a space where there's no pain, absolutely, like no soreness, no dull ache, nothing, and clarity in the mind, just like energy and just feeling so good. So I want to give a little shout out to this particular supplement has 5 herbs in it that not only does it have all 102 minerals and vitamins and amino acids and things that your body needs and craves whenever it's craving different foods, it's craving this, but I make my smoothies taste like desserts, so there's that. And it also has enough vitamin C in it to sustain you. It has camu camu and moringa for the energy and for extra nutrition, and then the camu camu is the highest plant-based source known to man for vitamin C. So you can find this herb mix not in a jar but in like a pretty package when you go to our store, which is ufuluchild.com. Well, you can get there too, but the link in the bio is ufuluchild.store, and you can get your own 30-day supply. But this is my everyday. This has been seeing me through, and I cannot say enough about this herb mix. So let's go ahead and make a smoothie to go with it, you feel me? I love when my smoothies have the flavor, because what's important is bringing together the best of both worlds. What your body loves and what your taste buds love. So what you love and what you need together. So let's go. Woo. First off, we have about 3 cups of my favorite. This is a tropical fruit blend that has strawberries, mangoes, bananas, and pineapples. We got half an avocado for the creamy luscious. About 3 tablespoons of the flaxseed meal. You can also use whole flax seeds since we're gonna blend it up anyway. I don't normally do this, but spirits say go ahead and put in 3/4 cup of some cucumber. So this is organic cucumber, roughly chopped. Add a little splash of some pure vanilla because I want to. Bam. Next is gonna be some of this pumpkin pie spice. Now I don't like pumpkin pie, but I do like this spice. All it is some cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice. So we're gonna add a few little shakes of this. Bam, bam. Okay, that's enough. You see that? That's probably like half teaspoon. Now we got the secret ingredient. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons since this is gonna be 6 servings. So that's like a teaspoon per serving of the herb mix. Bam, bam. Go ahead, do your thing. Secret sauce. We got about 2 cups of coconut milk. Now you can use almond milk or any other nut or seed milk, like hemp seed milk is awesome. We're gonna start out with that and then do it to your desired thickness. Now, as soon as I look at this, I'm like, I'm gonna need some more. So let me go ahead and add some more so that the frozen fruit is at least like covered. So I'm gonna keep going until I go to here. Feeling extra green today. We're gonna put in about a cup or however much this is of some fresh kale. You can use frozen. I normally use frozen, but what I got is some fresh dino kale. We're gonna use that. I just put in some agave right here so that it can sweeten it up a little bit, because I like it like that. But we're gonna blend it up right now, and then we're gonna taste and tweak it. But I don't think I'll need to do much. Look at that, baby. Hey. Now it's time to taste and tweak the best part. Okay. Okay. I dig it. I dig it. I did take some chances, you know, with the with the cucumber and the extra of the kale. But I dig it. I'm gonna add some more agave, and then I'm gonna add some more pumpkin spice because I want to. And then it's gonna be so bomb with the granola and everything. Yes. Here we go. So just a little bit more. You feel me? And then just boom, a couple more shakes. Okay, let's go again. That is heavenly. That is so good. Oh my gosh. And I feel like refreshed because the cucumber, something about it, I don't know. Like, I don't normally go for cucumber, but yes, I like that a whole lot. So I could just have that as a smoothie. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it up into some smoothie bowls, and that's gonna be my meals for today. Yay! Okay, let's go. We got our smoothie is evenly distributed throughout our 6 servings, or if you're just drinking it, you could double up and have 3 different smoothies, or 6 servings of smoothie bowls. And notice that there's space from the top, so just making sure that you leave some room for your toppings. We got our granola or whatever toppings you like. As you can see, I have some coconut flakes going too. Chia seeds, flax seeds, any sort of seeds that you like, or ancient whole grains, go for it. Now we're gonna top it with the fruit. Look at these lovely babies. Now do it up with your fruit. All I had was blueberries, but like mangoes, bananas, if you want to do pineapple you can, peaches, kiwi, whatever you like, just top it with that. Just put some lids on them, or put them in some Tupperware container so that you can store what you don't eat right now. You see them babies over there waiting. Let's go. Oh. Okay, here we go. This is good. It's different. It's good. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your smoothie bowls. Remember that unconditional love is always right here within you. So be gentle with yourself, nourish your being, and go get it. And drink your water, because that's important. But I'm sending you some love vibes all the way. You got this today, okay? Peace.